You are going to love the 2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.